All right, guys, we got the Infraction Thunder truck back out again today. See if we can get a pass in before the rain comes. SkyRC started, 0, 12 satellites. And a little bit of a breeze today. It's starting to die down some. Hopefully we can get in between the gusts. Turn around here. All right. And we got one coming. So we get out of the way here a little bit. All right, see if we can get this pass in. All right, we're clear. Looks like we're good and straight up there. Let's see what we can do. Stop. Got her stopped. I run so far past me that I have to be real careful. There's 2 driveways down there. And if I get past or right at the second one, she's going out of range, and that road curves down there. I've had to chase cars all the way and find them down in the ditch on the curve, which is another 800 or 900 foot. We don't want to do that today with this truck. Pretty clean run anyway, good and straight. That's the way I like them. This truck does a heck of a job of running straight. Let's see what we got here. Let's finish. We'll pick it up. Come on. There it goes. Stop. Read. Oh, baby. 165. That is a second PB in 2 days. Man, guys, this truck is moving. This is actually just became the fastest car I have over even my GT cars. That's an Infraction Thunder truck at 165. Man, that's a good pass, guys.